Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to see the mistakes. What are the mistakes and what are the types of mistakes and what are the consequences we are going to see in this video. First, we will see the meaning of mistake. The mistake is mean by it's an erroneous belief that but it is two types of mistake. It is called as mistake of law and mistake of fact. So first we will see about mistake of law. In this mistake of law, we are going to see the two types of mistake of law is mistake of law of the country and the mistake of law of the foreign country. Mistake of law of the country is means they have to explain in familiar maxim is that ignorantia juris not excuse. It means ignorance of law is not an excuse. In India, we are not forget any laws. We have to know about the basic rules and conditions in India. If you after entering the contract, I don't know about the rules and regulations, you can't take it as evidence. You can't take it as evidence in the court. Prove that I am ignoring the law. It's not accepted by the court. Next one is mistake of law of a foreign country. In this foreign country, in foreign law, we can't study the full basic rules and conditions because we don't know about the foreign country. We know about our country. So there is a exception that you can use that I ignored the law. I don't know about the laws. Then the contract will not be a void contract. So in Indian country, there is no excuse regarding the ignorance of law. But in foreign country, there is the excuse in regarding ignorance of law. Next one is mistake of fact. In mistake of fact, we have two types is bilateral mistake and unilateral mistake. Bilateral mistake is mean by both parties are doing committed mistake, then it is called as bilateral mistake. Then the mistake must be mutual, that both should be misunderstood and then they are entered into the contract for cross purposes, then it is called as a mistake. I will tell you an example. One person agrees to purchase other person motor car which was lying in the car gate. Unknown to the either parties, that car is destroyed by fire. So the person cannot buy that motor car because of that car is destroyed. So the agreement is void. And the next one is, if there is any mistake is regarding to your fact of your agreement, then it is called as a mistake. This is called various cases under the bilateral mistake. First we are going to discuss about mistake as to the subject matter. In mistake as to subject matter, we have subheadings. In first subheading is mistake as existence of the subject matter. Existence of the subject matter is mean by the product or the goods must be in existence, then only we can purchase the goods. Otherwise, if there is not existence, both the persons cannot buy that product. Then the contract becomes void. I will tell you an example. Know that motor car is under the fire, then it is destroyed. This is called as an existence. So at the first time you saw there is existence. After some time it is not existence. Then we cannot continue the contract. Then your contract becomes void contract. And mistake as to the identity of the subject matter means, if there is a mistake as to the identity of subject matter regarding the quantity of the subject matter. If there is a false or if there is a mistake in the subject matter, then your contract becomes void contract. Because every person identity is very important. If there is any false identity, then the contract becomes void. Next one is mistake as to the quality of the subject matter. The quality is very important, but in this contract, the quality get affected, then the other person cannot continue the contract. Is automatically your contract becomes void. The next one is mistake under the quantity of the subject matter. So both parties working on a mistake as the quantity is get differ. Otherwise, if there is any difference in weight or grams or length or height, so there is a difference at the time of entering into the contract, then afterwards, so both amounts are different or some heights or weights are different, then your contract becomes invalid. Next one is mistake as to the title of the subject matter. Title is mean by its an ownership. If there is a problem or if there is a markage problem or if there is an lease problems in over the title of the subject matter, you comes to know that, then you can cancel the contract and contract becomes void. And next one is mistake as to the price of the subject matter. If we are quoted in the contract is 1,02,250, but you are wrongly quoted as 2,02,250, there is a difference of 1 lakh in this amount, because at the time of writing or at the time of typing, we are doing some mistakes. So in that mistake is appeared in the price of the subject matter, then automatically your agreement becomes void. Next is first we will see the mistake as subject matter. This is the second part, mistake as to the possibility of performing the contract. So in the performance of your contract, sometimes it is not possible. At that time, it becomes impossible performance. Once a performance is impossible, it's automatically a contract gets cancelled. So what is physical impossibility mean? So first you know that it is possible. After sometimes you are having some loss or you can't because you have some fevers or cold or some ill effects, and then you are affected with some diseases, you can't continue the contract because of your health condition or because of your some situations, it becomes physical impossibility. So if you are in a good position or if you are in a good condition, only you can do the performance. In case you are getting affected, then it is called as physical impossibility because of you can't continue the contract. Next one is legal impossibility. Legal impossibility means if there is any rules and regulations get changed or new amendments are done, then automatically it affects your contract. So your performance becomes impossible. Next one is unilateral mistake. Unilateral mistake means if one of the party doing any mistakes, then it is called as a unilateral mistake. It is an exception. In this exception, the unilateral mistake, the contract cannot be cancelled. But in some exceptions, under the unilateral contract, your contract becomes invalid. First one is mistake as to the identity of the person contracted with. So if there is any mistakes in the identity of the person, then it is a void contract. And next one is mistake as to the nature of contract. If there is any changes in your character, or if there is any changes in the nature of the contract, then it affects your contract. It's automatically your contract becomes invalid. Thank you so much, students, for watching this video.